Hi, welcome. In this video, let us discuss about how to play with the conditions in for loop. So for that, let us see an example. In our case, the for loop, no conditions will be specified. Instead, this condition will be set inside the for loop statements. Example, it will print all the numbers until -1 is entered by the user. So that means what? The for loop will goes on indefinite loop. So when the user enters -1, the for loop will get terminated. Right? Let us look at the syntax. Syntax is for initialization, condition, increment. So in our case, we are not gonna give this condition here. Instead, this condition is given inside the statements. You got it? Right. Let us look at the logic. What is the logic? When the user enters -1, then the loop should get terminated. Look at here, for I is equal to 1, no condition is specified, increment or decrement is there. So initialization will be set, it will go and check the condition. Since there is no condition, it will enter inside the loop. If n is equal to -1 means it will come out of the loop. If it is not equal to -1, it keeps on executing it. That is the logic. So you know the purpose of break. A break is a keyword which will bring the control out of this loop. Okay. So let us see this in action. So in our program, we will be using a variable named n. Okay. Okay, let us uh, see the for loop in action. So for int I is equal to 0 or I is equal to 1, no condition. Okay, let us see first in condition. I is equal less than or equal to 5. So I plus plus. So here I am printing the value of I. So how many times it will be get printed? So from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 4? Because it is not equal to it. Less than 5 it should work, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us see this. Okay, I'm compiling it. No errors. Let us run it. See, it is executed 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times it has been executed, right? Okay. Now here we are not going to specify the condition. Okay, without condition, let us say how to execute this. So what you're going to do, you're going to read an input from the user. When the user enters -1, it should come out of the loop. Otherwise, the loop should keep on executing, right? So in order to read, I'm using the scanf function. Scanf, so %d, comma, ampersand n. So I'm going to read the input from the user. That input will be stored in n, and I'm going to print it. Let us say the printer enter number. Enter number is n. Okay, so user will enter the number and it will print the number. If it is -1 means it should come out. That is the logic, right? So I'm going to check the condition. In order to check, we will go for the if statement. If n equal to -1 means it will go inside. So what it should do? It should come out of the loop, right? So let us write the program is terminated. So in order to come out, we know the break, we need to use break keyword. So that's it. Since I used a int main here, I need to return 0. So let us see this in explanation. So initially the control comes here. Int is n is set to the data type integer, so it will assign the space. So it comes over here for loop. So for initialization is there, int I is equal to 1 will be set to I, then it will goes to the condition. No condition is there, so directly enters inside the loop. Okay, so until since there is no condition, this loop will keep on executing it, right? So that is a normal procedure. So here inside loop, what I'm getting, I'm reading the input from the user and I'm printing that input. Then I am checking the condition. If this n is equal to -1 means the loop will be terminated. Otherwise, it goes to the I. This will be incremented. Again, no condition. Execute. incrementer, no condition, execute, it keeps on executing it. When this loop will get executed, when I is equal to, n is equal to -1, it will break out of this for loop. Let us see this in execution. Okay, let us compile it. Okay, let us run it. Okay, it is asking me to enter. I'm entering 1, 2, 11, 22, 33, 50. Now I'm entering -1. See, enter number is 1, the program is terminated. Okay, I hope now you understood how to play with the conditions in for loop. Thank you.